The big request, everybody is like asking me, can you do something with the pistachio, also called pistachio in America? And I say, okay, let's come up with some with pistachio and something that everybody will like. Why don't we do a carbonara with pistachio? Sounds good. Why don't we do a carbonara with pistachio? Instead of the guanciale, we use the mortadella. That's even a better idea. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do carbonara with pistachio and mortadella crispy. Let's go. Ingredients: rigatoni pasta, 2 eggs per person, fresh pistachio, blend of Pecorino Romano and Parmigiano Reggiano, black pepper. Let's start with doing a cream of pistachio. You need to have a lot of patience because, you know, you just have to wait. Don't put anything else. You don't really need to put any oil. You go like that. So this is first what's gonna happen. You see that? We're gonna take that out first. And then we're gonna keep going with this. At first, it will stay dry. But then at some point it will turn into, it's gonna release all the oil and it's actually gonna turn into a cream of pistachio. Move it. This is what the final product looks like. This is what your cream of pistachio will look like. You just use the oil inside the pistachio. We're gonna do a classic carbonara. So we're gonna use the eggs. Beautiful eggs, 2 eggs. What they call it, a carbo cream, but it's just like carbonara sauce. The Parmigiano Reggiano. Now the secret ingredients, as much as you like. See how beautiful? And you leave that on the side. Let's slice the mortadella. Put some salt inside. Woo. Count 12 minutes on our rigatoni. We're gonna pasteurize these eggs. Boom. Always black pepper. There we go. Voila. That's good. A little bit more pepper. Pistachio, mortadella, carbonara. Oof, what a combination. There we go. And now, we're gonna do this work. Not too much water, eh? Not too much water. Look at this carbonara. Wow, look at this. Wonderful. For all the pistachio lovers. All right. Oh, wonderful. And then we're gonna finish off with a little bit of mortadella and some of this. And we did a carbonara with pistachio and crispy mortadella instead of the guanciale. Mortadella, it's a good addition, but not strong enough like a guanciale. I would probably go for the guanciale, for the classic, but you know, this is a good alternative.